Man, Grime and Punishment by Daft Pilkey. Intro number 1. Georgian Herald, Celebrity Arches. Hiya pals, it's your boys Georgian Herald. Sup, you're not gonna believe this. We got totally famous. It all started when we're selling our comics at the mall. Hey, you can't peddle your wares in here. We're not peddling wares, and I never peddled a ware in my life. Hey, what's a ware? Beats me. I'm calling the police on you, manifestors. And so, what's all this then? These delinquents are consulting the innocent translation. We better check this out. Hey, these comics are awesome. Thanks. We have a special discounts for cops. Yeah, 3 for $5. I'll take 3. Give me 6. Ka-ching! So, aren't you gonna arrest them? Relax, Sherlock. They're just kids. The cops told everybody about our comics, and soon the crowds grew and grew. The Daily News. Mall is popular again. Think to these Jerry's comics. Well, what should we do about those 2 kids? I know, let's give them free candies and stuff. Zoom and zong. And so, thanks for the beer float, Sherlock. My name is not Sherlock. I told you 50 times. Well, we better get started in our next comic or public awards. While we work on our next maturity, check the story thus far. Turn. Intro number 2. Darman, the story this far. One time, there was a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. Wee. They rushed to the hospital. When the doctor gave them bad news, boo-hoo. I'm sorry, cop dude, but your head's dying. Oh, darn it. And your body's dying too, doggy dude. But the nurse lady got a super lit idea. I know, let's stitch the dog's head into the cop's body. You're a genius, nurse lady. I know. So they had a big operation. And that's how Dogman started. Dogman kept the city safe from evildoers until one day, everything changed. Petey's most evil cat transformed by love. Now he's a good guy. But even though Petey's heart has changed, his mind still haunted by the ghost of his past. Petey, I am your father. Hey, that didn't happen. If Petey's going to continue to do good, he might need a little help for his friends. I barely know these people. So sit back and enjoy our new epic graphic novel. It's only a comic book. Chapter 1. Sheep's Big Day. Good afternoon. I'm Mayor. Thank you for joining us in this nice old station. Today we honor sheep for being the best sheep in town. Hooray! Yippee! Isn't he the only sheep in town? Shh. Here to present the award, sheep's very best friend, Dogman. Hooray! Yeah! Sheep rocks! Yeah! Where is he? He was just here a minute ago. I bet he's outside digging those flower beds. My roses! Don't worry, Mayor. Dogman would never do anything like that. Oh, Dogman! Listen, here he comes now. My roses! How could they get any worse? No! Introducing Flip-O-Rama. Bad doggy, give me back my glasses. Hey, don't cry, Mayor. I am not crying. He slobbered all over my glasses, and he got grime all over my suit, and he dug out my rose garden. If that dog-headed cop messes up one more time, I'm gonna take his badges away. Don't worry, sir. Dogman just got excited, that's all. He'll be good from now on. Well, I hope so. And where's my hat? Hey, my hat! Dogman, quick, give me the hat. Give it. Let go, seriously. Whip, quack, quack. Run! Swing! Swish! Stop! Dogman, come back here with the hat! Chapter 2, the saddest chapter ever written. That night. Ding dong! What do you want? And what is he doing here? I told you to get rid of that guy, but Mayor, please, don't Mayor please me. That dog-headed cop is nuisance, and if you won't fire him, I will. Give me your badges. You're fired, Dogman. Get out of my lawn. You see, Mrs. Snookums? I told you I was the powerful person. Yes, sir. Everyone listens to me, 'cause I'm the best mayor in town. Good night, Mr. Snookums. We're not gonna cry, okay? We're gonna be brave. We'll just go in here, and we'll walk to your desk, and we'll pack your things. So you'll always remember, here's the bone that you like to chew, and here's the squeaky telephone, squeak, squeak, and here's the ball you love to. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna. Wait. Gee, I think she's really crying. I'm not crying. It's just allergies. I think we got allergies too. Me too. We're allergic to snappiness. Wait. Hey, what's going on here? Dogman just got fired. Well, I'm not surprised. Dogman is an awful cop. I know he chewed up my new phone, and he pooped my filling cabin again. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look what you've done. You made everybody cry, and you broke Sheep's heart. Get out, Dogman, and don't come back. Splash. Ow. Chapter 3. The chapter that's not totally sad as the last one. Meanwhile, it's okay, HB. You can make the trees tree red. It's our story. We can color it any way we want. Hey, look, Dogman told up. What's wrong, Dogman? Did you get into trouble and at work again? What happened? Ow, ow, ow! You did? Ow, ah! He did? Ow, ow! You can't? I have an idea. We'll help you get your job back. Don't worry about the thing. Just come upstairs, lie down on your bed, and I'll read a bedtime story. I wrote the words AHD, draw the pictures. Are you ready? Here's Dogman. We patted Dogman by the tree. We had a dream, but it wasn't scary. Look at Dogman. Look at us. We're on the world. Do you like Dogman? We do. Now it's nighttime. The end. He's asleep. Come on, AHD. We got some work to do. Meanwhile, in another part of town, someone else was in a hard work too. I can just contact these tubes on the hyperdrive and it will review. The invention will be itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and what, you got that out? Why do you have to be so annoying? It never fails. Every time I'm working or reading or sleeping, you're jumping on the bed or singing a stupid song or telling pointless stories. Last night you woke me up to ask me what my favorite color was. I had it up here. I had it up to here with you. At last, check out my latest invention, the mighty motor brain. Alright, that's why you have to be so mean, Grandpa. I thought you liked me. I never said I liked you. I said I needed you. You do? Of course I do, Papa. I need you to be my guinea pig. Guinea pig? Certainly. The motor brain has never been tested. It might be dangerous, and that's why I need you to try it out on you. Is this safe? Is this thing safe? Oh, don't worry, Big Jim. It will be fine. And now let's turn this baby on. What is it going to do, Grandpa? It's personally amplifier. It takes the most beside and expressional. So let's turn this to 11 and see what happens. How do you feel, Big Jim? Not me, not Big Jim, me, Snap. And Snug feel like, cuddle, no wait, Snuggle-rama, Snug flip. But Snug no rip, Snug pet kitty, Snug kiss kitty, Snug cuddle kitty. Snug little kitty, help! Whoa! What's this? A secret escape room? Chapter 4, The Dog in the Hat. Meanwhile, While Dogman was asleep, Little Petey and ADHD were upstairs in the ballroom creating their newest invention. Okay, let's test it out. Meow. Now it's time for the final test. Wake up, Dogman. Look what me and ADHD did. Let's try it on. Cool. Now you look like a cat. You look like a cat, Dogman. And if you press the button on the right ear, you can meow. Meow. And if you try the other ear, now you can talk like a cat. Try the other ear. We just need one last detail. Perfect. Ding dong, doorbell. Ruff, 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 ruff. Hey, Papa. Bonk, bonk. Stop it! Not everybody likes petted, and nobody likes to be petted and slapping, you know. Sorry, Papa. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay if you do it, but hey, what's his problem? That's Dogman. I know it's Dogman. Why is he dressed up like that? He got fired from his job last week, and Chief isn't allowed to hire dogs anymore. So we turned him into a cat. Nobody's gonna believe he's a cat. They won't? No, he looks ridiculous. Gotta help him, Papa. Alright, here's some advice. Don't roll in any dead fish. And quit sticking your tongue out. Wow, he looks better already. Problem solved. Alright, kid, let's go get some gelato. Okay. Bye-bye, Dogman. Good luck. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next. And soon... Hey, Chief. I think somebody... Hey, Chief. I think somebody's in here about the new job. I'll get him in Buster. Splash! Why? Hey, give me that. You let go of that right now. Brush. Hey! Meow, meow, meow. Is it you? But Dogman, you can't be here if the mayor finds out. Hey, Sheep, mayor's here. Shh. Shh. Why is it so damp in here? Well, you see, never mind that. Have you found the replacement for Dogman yet? Gee whiz, Mayor, yeah, but what about him? This cat-headed man would be perfect. What about him? A cat-headed man would be perfect. He's so smart. He's so clean, so smart. And he has 9 lives. We should hire him. Well, okay, awesome. I think I have Dogman's old badge here. Ah, here it is. Well, look at that. It fits perfectly. Congratulations. Welcome to the force. Hey, I solved another problem. I can't wait to go home and tell Mr. Snookums. Oh boy, it's gonna be great. Meanwhile, how is the gelato? Good. Hey, I started a new build. I started building a new robot this weekend. I could really use your help. I can, why not? I'm meeting with my comic club this week. Look, robots are more important than comics. Why? Because we need robots for protection. Why? Because Grandpa might escape from jail. Why? Because he's an evil villain. Why? Because he does lots of terrible things. Why? Because he only cares about himself. Why? Because it's just the way he is. Why? Would you stop that? Why? Because it's irritating. Why? Hey, get off of me. Why? Because I don't want you dripping all over me. Why? Because I don't want my back all stinky. Because I don't want to be sticky. I won't drip on you, Papa. See? Meanwhile, I can't believe my good fortune. This place is everything, including on door. Now it's just one last thing. Oh snap! Yes, kitty. Can I try that hat? Sure. Here you go, kitty. Chapter 6. The Incredible Crud by George Beard and Harold Hutchins. Meet Crud! Crud smash! Smash! What do Crud do next? Oh look, Crud see exit. Crud exit and weak head boy. Crud punch. Crud kick. Crud provide unnecessary motivation. Meanwhile, I'm sorry, Papa. Yeah, right. Splash. I told you not to climb on me with the gelato. And so Rama. Are you still mad at me, Papa? A little. But I'll get over it. It's good. It's important. It's important to forgive, right, Papa? Yeah, I guess so. But you can't just forgive everybody. Why not? Because some folks don't deserve. Why not? Because some folks don't deserve it. Like your grandpa. Oh, I forgave Grandpa like a long time ago. How could you forget that time? He kidnapped you. He left you in the recycle bin. And he betrayed every chance he's gotten. What kind of a monster? Hey, Papa, look. I got a word. Are you even listening? Meanwhile, good evening, folks. I'm sorry I had up with the news. A weird spider-like cat is busting up the city. Crud, steal! Tell us, Mr. Crud, what's it like being a ruthless villain? If Crud be totally honest, a little bit lonely. Crud wish have someone to talk to. Crud need buddy. Did you hear that, dog man? That evil cat's looking for a sidekick. And he gives me an idea. You must go undercover. Deep undercover. You must convince the Crud guy. And you're just an evil as him. And for the final touch, Get out of there and make me proud. Yes, yes. Chapter 7. Catman. Meanwhile, but why, Papa? Because your grandpa is a deadbeat. He's a deadbeat. You can't forgive and forget. Sometimes you just gotta hate. Isn't always the bad thing, you know. It isn't? Of course not. Hate, it keeps things alive. I hate conversations. Sometimes hate is all you've got left. But what about love, Papa? Love is... Let's remove. Love is fun for people like you. You've lived a charmed life. But things were different for me. My grandpa was way meaner to me. He was even meaner to my mom. Hey Papa, how come I met my grandpa, but they never met my grandma? Why, Papa? Just eat your food. But why, Papa? Papa? Meanwhile, me guess me act so bad because me feel so sad. Maybe if you find yourself a buddy, you can become elementary. But could find a buddy? No, it's not like buddy appear out of nowhere. Meow. Hey, buddy. Crud love Buddy. Crud and Buddy do crime. What crime we do first? Me know a smash a bookshop. Come on, buddy. Hey, Crud stuck. Crud, no, understand. I'll tell you what happened, Cruddy. It looks like you got busted. And this undercover cop, Catman. Did you see that, Mr. Stuckups? Meow. Meow. I hired that cat. I guess he makes me the hero. Aren't you proud of me, Mr. Snuggums? Well, folks, it looks like Crud has been captured. Crud captured? Crud, no, think so. Crud angry. Uh-oh, Crudorama. You know, no like cat when he's angry. Then, hey, you dog man. Hey, that dog man. I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna destroy him. Chapter 8, Big Fight. Meanwhile, but why, Papa? I told you I don't want to talk about it anymore. Why? You're just a kid. You could possibly understand what I've gone through. I can try. Look, your grandpa, he abandoned me and my mom. He left when I was just kidding. He left when my mom was sick. Your mommy was sick? Yeah, she's gonna better do this, right? Right, Papa? Look, kid, sometimes bad things happen. You can't forgive. You can't just forget. Sometimes you got left is hate. I know, Papa. He hates the cause a lot of problems in the world. But it hasn't solved one yet. Meanwhile, Crud hate you, buddy. Crud destroy buddy. First, Grab the tiny tail. Not so fast, Cruddy. Pow, lip, zing, crunch. Yeah! Oh. Wait for me, gang. Not so fast, Chief. That man isn't a cop anymore. But he was an irritating cop. But that man belongs in jail. But if you're gonna help him, you're going to jail too. But so what is it gonna be, Chief? Are you gonna risk everything for that loser? Well, you bet I am. So make way for me, Chief. So he's a territor, huh? Well, don't just stand there. Arrest them. But no more buts. Arrest them or you're all fired. And so, sorry, Chief. We don't have a choice, Sarah. Ha ha. Great, now the bad guy's getting away. It's your own fault. You were helping a criminal. And now, put those chumps in the cop mobile. Get them out of my sight. Okay, Mayor. Hey! Meanwhile, city's third large lunch bag and gift shop. Hey, what's this? Warning, please display this giant lunch bag with living spread. Now available online gift shop. Quit motivating. Give him a good idea. Chapter 9. The lunch bag of motorbrain. Quit steal living spray. Now Quit unveil secret plan. Incredible. Me, Munchie. Munchie hungry. Is that so? Then let's eat. Crack. Crush. Munch, 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 munch. Munchie thirsty. Crack. No, Munchie. No. Drink nuclear juice. You'll get the bellyache. Munchie, run over that pond over there. Drink up water from the pond over there. Run, Munchie, run. Meanwhile, at the pond over there. Okay, class. Who knows an adverb is? Oh. Someone besides Melvin this time. What about you, Molly? An adverb is, it's like a word that describes stuff. Could you be more specific? Like thingies and stuff. Please. Alright, Melvin. An adverb is a word that is praised that modifies, qualifies, and qualifies verb, adjective, or other adverbs, and express manner of placement. Okay, Melvin. Okay, thanks. That's great, Melvin. Now, who can use an adverb in a sentence? Oh. Please. All right, Melvin. I'm smart as a lunch bag. Okay, but where is the adverb? Snap, run, kids, run! Run, jump high, adverbs, run quickly, jump high, hyperactively. Chapter 10, ADHD power. Meanwhile, well, folks, it looks like we are all doomed. Crud is on the loose, Munchie is attacking, and the good guys are heading into jail. Hey, where's the TV? Where's all the TVs and cameras? Shh! Anyways, who will help us in our hour of need? Who will answer our cry? Who will rise up and defeat the tyranny occupant? Meanwhile, and now can barely stand up. I think you made the head too big. Oh really? Gee, thanks, Professor Obvious. Did you get your centimeters and the millimeters mixed up again? It's not funny. I work really crush. HD, what is it, buddy? We have a door, you know. Bonk. What? Do you understand what he's trying to say? Not really. We cannot understand ADHD. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. I get it. ADC was trying to tell us that the giant lunchback came to life and our friends are in trouble. It could have been drawn a picture. Come on, Poppy, we gotta save the world. Oh, all right. Hey! What did I tell about using the door? Smash! Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Zoom! He used the door. Well, that time, slap. And so, hi Molly. Hey guys, what you doing? I'm trying to save Floopy with my brain and mind power, but not strong enough. We can help. Oh, I get it. You miss the love, or everything is going well. But when something bad happens, you just suit up and fight. What's Wally talking about? My name's not Wally. I know, it's just like calling you Wally. I'm talking about the doctors in love here. I love cares about love, love, love. Maybe Wally is right. Yeah, maybe. Hey, let's find out. Are you ready? Chapter 11. Love versus hate. Who will win? Okay, I know what we're supposed to do. But how to do it? That's a good question. Well, what do we love? I love to draw. Hey, me too. We all love to draw. First you draw a triangle, and then you draw a face, some pointy legs. Wow. And then a really good at drawing squids, Molly. I practice all the time, and ADHD loves to draw hearts, and I love to draw my papa. Hey, don't draw my face on his butt. Too late. And so, psst, hey mister, I like your new tattoos. They're so cute and darling, sweet. It makes you look adorable. Mochi was so embarrassed, he let Flippy go. Are you okay, Flippy? I'm fine. Hey kids, you can stop hiding now. Yeah, grab a crayon and let's show some dude love. Happy! I love ice cream. I love puppies. I love tic-tac-toe. Me too. I love cars. I love music. I love bats. I love pizza. I love daddy. I love spiders. I love skeletons. I like dinosaurs. It all. Gee, mister. I love mustache. Look, you're lovely. It's the most precious a bad guy I ever met. I love ponies. Do you want to join our comic club? We can draw together every day. Yeah! Bye-bye, Mr. Mochi. We love you. Come back soon. Hey, Poppy, it looks like we won. You love got lucky. Well, you didn't. What? they say about luck. It always runs out. What are you gonna do now? Papa, I think it's your battle. Chapter 12, the ultimate showdown. I don't know if we can do this again. Of course you can. It's your story, Papa. We can color it any way we want. Me got your friends, PD. Technically, they're not mine, really, my friends. Oh, so you won't mind if me does this? Oh no, let's roll, Flippy. Grandpa, I can't do it, kid. You can love the way you love. Papa, you don't have to. Let's just let go of your hate. Yay, PT's back for more punishment? Dad? What? I'm done. Don't what? Trying done to hate you. Aw, and you sweet. What are you gonna do now? Now love me? No, I'm gonna forgive you. Forgive me? Forgive me for what? I never did anything to you. I wasn't an idea there, and you didn't forgive me. Where do you think you're going? I've got a kid into this bed. We're not done here. I think we are. Hey, get back here. Good night, Grandpa. Let's play again tomorrow. Good night, everybody. Bye, Wally. Chapter 13. 3 endings. The first ending, Grandpa's story. Hey, come back here. Fight. Thanks a lot, Motor Brain. You didn't help me at all. Hey, my hat. Snug's back. And so, Kitty, oh Kitty, Snug love Kitty, no. The second ending, the Dogman story. We're free, not fight pop. And you still have to deal with me. Splash. Dogman, when I get through with you, hey Mayor, I think your house burning down. Mr. Snookums, I'll save you. Mayor, don't go in there. Mayor, no. What should we do? The flames are too hot. But then, zoom. Dogman, no. Chief, no. Gee, we're about your house, Mayor. I don't care about my house. Mr. Snookums in there, and now it's all your fault. What do you have to say for yourself? Well, Mr. Snookums, you're safe. Thank you, Dogman. You're the best dog-headed cop in the world in town. Isn't he the only? Shh. The third thing, little Petey story. Boy was sure in the mad when we forgave him. If you had known he's bothering him so much, we could have forgiven him years ago. We're home, Papa? Yeah. Wait, I'll be back, kid. Okay, let's go. Where are you going, Papa? You'll see. I haven't been here. I haven't been here since I was a kid. It's right, Papa? Okay. Is Grandpa in there? No, she's here now. Is Grandma in here now? Here, Papa? No, she's here now, and she's here. Isn't she here, Papa? Well, it's your story, kid. You can color anything you way you want. The end.